I'm going to talk about one of my absolute favorite topics, and that is Airbnb cleaning, because I've been doing it for 3 years now, and I feel like I got to a point where now when I walk into any place, I have to make sure, well, is there dust here? Is it free of hair? It's just built into me and I can't help it. So I'm going to give you guys some cleaning tips and tricks when it comes to Airbnbs. First and foremost, when you are cleaning a bathtub out, you have to make sure, like literally triple check to make sure there's no hairs, because that can actually deduct a star from the 5-star review. So making sure that there's no dust, making sure there's no trash, especially under beds, making sure you give the guest fresh trash bags, making sure that the couch and rugs and everything are free of stains is so crucial. And honestly, there's things that I do that just, a little extra, like, adding some amenities can really help. And then leaving cleaning supplies for the guests too, because, it's always appropriate that they might want to clean up after themselves. They might want, oh my gosh, my dog threw up or whatever. You have to leave cleaning supplies for the guests as well. And that's just, I feel like that's just protocol, but honestly, checking under the beds and couch and checking for dust and checking the refrigerator, the stove, making sure there's no pans left in the oven, making sure the dishwasher is empty and all the dishes are clean and put away properly are so crucial. And dog hair, pet hair, making sure that place is free of pet hair. You just don't want any guest that has any type of pet allergies walking in and have pet hair. I mean, it's just appropriate anyway for the next guest. So making sure that the linens are tucked in, they're free of stains, there's no wrinkles. These are so crucial when it comes to cleaning. I know the linens and bedding and stuff's not really technically cleaning, but it's kind of cleaning in my eyes. So as a cleaner, even dust on ceiling fans, check the top of the refrigerator. These are things that I think a lot of people can miss and easily, help out the host with their 5 stars. So let me know if you think I missed anything. I probably have, because I'm trying to think in my head. I don't like scripts. I don't take notes down and read from them. I just speak from the heart. So, mirrors. Make sure the mirrors are clean. That's a huge one.